Hello friends, how to test SQL Server 2025 installation that we did in the previous class. Very simple and straight. Go to search and type SSMS. You see SQL Server Management Studio 22. Click on that. Click on 22, this one. Once you click, you'll get a nice bright interface here. Now it will ask you to get one server name. It will ask you to enter the server name. Let me show you. That's right. Here it is. It will say connect. It will ask you for server name, and I don't know the server name. I'm very new to server environment. Naturally, no problem. No problem. Microsoft says no problem. Go to browser or browse. Go to browse. Here you can go to the local and select whichever instance you installed earlier, or whichever server you installed earlier. In Microsoft SQL Server environment, instance means server, remember. Well, database technology to database technology, terminology changes, meaning also changes. For example, in Oracle, database refers to instance. Here, instance refers to a server installation. Here means SQL Server environment. Select the one that we installed in the previous video, SQL 2025 instance, you select it. You get the server name, computer name, / instance name. This would be the server name, trust server certificate, and connect. That's it, you are done. You are connected to your previously installed SQL Server. However, first time you launch SSMS, it may ask you to register to Microsoft account. Ignore that. Say choose later or I will register later. It may say sign in, it's okay, leave it, no problem. I repeat, very first time you launch SSMS 22 version, it may prompt you to register for Microsoft account. Skip it, close it, ignore it, and then continue to verify the installation. This is number 17. Right click server properties. You see the evaluation edition that we installed in the previous video. So this is how you do the installation test. And just like previous versions of SQL Server 17, SQL Server 2017, 2019, 2022, similar to the previous versions, here also you see same set of system databases, master model, MSDB, MDB. But what new in 2025? Yes, anyway you'll be joining my classes, my training classes, and I'll be teaching you step by step in an interactive way, step by step, with a job orientation, scenario based activities on the main beauty of 2025 with ease, practically 100% hands on. See you there in my actual classes. Thank you so much, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.